it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a royal guest room with a river view at Disney's Port Orleans Resort, Riverside. Now, as we first come over here, we see that we have a wonderful welcome letter from Princess Tiana promising us that she has left some little nods to all of her friends around this room. And so I will try to point out as many of those as possible as we do our tour. As we come over here to the curtains, you can see that there are some hidden Mickeys that are going to make themselves apparent as you look closer at this pattern. And the same thing is true as we look up here at our light fixture. We can see we have a really cute hidden Mickey up there as well. Now, coming over here to the beds, we have 2 queen beds in these rooms. We also have the option to request adjoining rooms. So this is one of Disney's moderate hotels. It is kind of in the middle between value and deluxe for price, and it is located in the Disney Springs area. So it's going to offer you boat service to Disney Springs and bus service to all the parks. As we come over here to our little coat rack, we can see that we have Cinderella's carriage over here. And as we walk a little bit further into the room, we can see Snow White over here pictured. And up here on this border, we have a lot of our princesses' friends. So everybody from Chip to Jacques and Gus to the genie and the lamp, kind of repeating all the way around the room. As we come over here to our dresser area and television area, we can see up here that there is Tiana's crown that's featured. We do have a Cuisinart branded coffee maker in the room, and of course our ice bucket with our cups. And underneath here, we do have our beverage cooler. We have some nice sized drawers over here. And also on the floor, we have carpet from Aladdin, our magic carpet right here in the middle. Over here, we have a beautiful portrait of Princess Tiana, who again is our host in these rooms. Here we have the cute little footstool from Beauty and the Beast. We'll check out that bathroom in a second. First, I want to come over here and show you that our princes are also featured alongside more princesses. On these headboards, we have a really pretty view of Tiana's, home swamp, for lack of a better word, where she and her prince marry at the end of Princess and the Frog. Look.
That's so cool.
It's fireworks.
Whoa.
Both of them do it. It's pretty cool,
That's
isn't it?
so cool. Who made this up? Wow. I could watch this all night. It's like automatic TV show. And it doesn't hurt your mind to look at it.
And then here we have portraits of Princess Aurora and Princess Ariel. We also have some traditional outlets here, and we have the new Hey Disney feature here in these rooms as well. Really beautiful space, and a pretty good sized room too. So as we come in here to the bathroom, you can see over here we have plenty of storage space for our luggage. We have some extra pillows and blankets, some hanging storage. We have our iron and ironing board, and we also have our safe here. There is a curtain that you can pull to close this area off. In here we have our water closet, of course, with our toilet and our shower tub combo and a full-length mirror. And then over here in the bathroom, we have 2 mirrors, double sinks. We have some storage down below. My favorite feature of these bathrooms are Aladdin's lamp. Right here is our faucet. Up here, we also have in the border some more of our princesses' friends. So we have some of Ariel's friends, we have Rapunzel's friend, we have Tiana's friend, we have lots of other little side characters up there. So again, this is a royal room. This particular room is a corner room, and it has a river view. Absolutely beautiful, moderate level resort, beautiful room if you have a princess lover. If you're interested in more information, feel free to reach out to me at gingermmt.com. My planning services are completely free. Thank you so much for watching.